So this is a question that I get a lot, and I just want to clarify for everyone that every single class that currently is being offered in my link tree is new and improved and has way more information, way more details, and is far more organized than anything that I put out before. There's a reason why I took down all of those old books, because I had to adjust the information to make sure that it was current and that it was better for all of you. So everything that I currently offer is the updated information, and I know that a lot of you haven't even looked at the updated information because you're still asking me about all of the old stuff. The amount of people who are still searching for an indentured trustee, you wouldn't believe it. The amount of people who are still asking about TDA accounts, the amount of people who are still misusing billing errors, the amount of people who are just still stuck on the old stuff when I have been put out a new guide that nobody has looked at. So yes, everything that I currently offer is new and different from the old stuff. It has more information, and quite frankly, it's better. For example, the new discharge video that I dropped at the beginning of this year, as well as the new ebook. That covers all of the updated and current methods for discharge. All of my relevant discharge information is going to be found in there, as well as in the securitization class, which goes over how securitization affects what you're trying to do in terms of discharge, as well as the new tax information, the ebook and the video, which basically cover the same things, but all of that is new information about how to pay yourself with the IRS. So you can pay yourself. You can claim a refund on your taxes if you are a W-2 or 1099 employee that have any withholdings. So that is what I show you how to do in there, as well as barters. Anything to do tax-wise, it's really in that video. How to fight liens, whatever you're looking for. Then there is the new National Status and Secured Party ebook and video, because that class needed to be updated, and there are some changes for efficiency and safety that I feel everyone should know, which is why I updated those. Then we have the trust class and the trust ebook for anybody who wants to set up a trust and protect their assets. The way that all of this connects, I dispel all of the misinformation. It is in these new guides. The current class that we are on as a part of the What I Wish I Knew series is the administrative process class, endorsement enforcement, showing you how to get over any hurdle. And this is all a part of the What I Wish I Knew series, because these 6 things are essential for living your life as a sovereign. If you want to have a private bank account and protect your assets, get a private irrevocable trust bank account. That is how you protect your assets and make sure the bank can't steal your money. Anything else you're trying to do in terms of private banking is something totally separate. You can protect your assets with a private trust account, or you can do that through a brokerage, however you want to do it. Make sure you have power of attorney, and they don't, because they look at you as a minor. If they are the custodian, they're going to get the insurance. Make sure you clear up those presumptions. You can also correctly file taxes on those accounts using the 1099Bs or any other tax methods that you want to apply, which is what I show you in the tax class. National status, you want to get out of their jurisdiction. That's important for anything that has to do with court cases or anything where you're dealing with the government and you don't want to be a citizen. If you want SNAP benefits, if you want food stamps, if you want anything like that, I am not a citizen. I don't have income. You need to establish those facts on the record. You need to get out of the DMV system, which you voluntarily consented yourself into. So that is how you handle that. The court class is going to be coming up after the administrative process, but the administrative process class, which we haven't done yet, is going to show you everything that you need when it comes to how to enforce your remedies, because I know these companies are stubborn. So that's what we're going to go over on Saturday. We've already done the tax class. People have been getting receipts from that. So everything is new, and I highly suggest everyone check out all of the new information, because it might answer a lot of those questions that you have.